Hello everyone. So it looks like the Lathrop Megapack factory is expanding their storage yard as they ramp up production. Got an article here from Teslarati with video that we can check out. So let's have a look. So headline here, Tesla expands Megapack battery storage area in Lathrop Mega Factory. Tesla's energy business saw a 360% year-over-year growth in the first quarter, and a good part of it was due to the Megapack, the company's flagship battery storage product. Recent footage of Tesla's Lathrop Megafactory suggests that the electric vehicle maker is looking to ramp its production of the giant battery packs. Drone footage from a Tesla watcher who regularly observes the Fremont factory recently featured a glimpse at the activities happening in the Lathrop Megafactory. The Megafactory is a dedicated facility that's designed to produce the Megapack, and its output is expected to hit around 10,000 units per year, as Tesla's year-end update on the Twitter last December. As can be seen in the recent drone video, Tesla is currently building out a new storage area for Megapack batteries in the vicinity of the Lathrop Megafactory. So far, it appears that the company has set up spaces for 80 more Megapack batteries in the facility's new storage area, though its size suggests that more batteries could be kept there as the facility accelerates its production ramp. Meanwhile, the Megafactory's initial holding lot for Megapack batteries was practically full when the aerial video was taken. This suggests that Tesla is hitting a steady pace in the Megapack batteries production ramp. Considering that each Megapack battery is worth over $2 million with installation fees, a ramp in the production of the Megapack would likely contribute positively to Tesla's finances in the coming quarters. If the Lathrop Megafactory is successful in ramping to a production rate of 10,000 Megapack batteries per year, the facility would effectively be able to provide Tesla with sales of over $20 billion. And considering that Tesla energy products are expected to have healthy margins, partly due to the fact that energy storage units are less complex than electric vehicles, the company's gross profits from the output of the Lathrop Megafactory's Megapack batteries would likely be significant. Then they got a video here below. Just the last part of this video shows the Lathrop factory. So this is the new site here with 80 spots that have been added, and yeah, it looks like there could be more area used for putting the Megapacks in the future. Doesn't look like this is complete yet. And then they fly over to the existing storage area, and you can see it's pretty full with Megapacks. They say here over 100 Megapacks out in the lot. And then I'll look over to this new area. Definitely looks like this is going to be part of it as well, like more storage once it's complete. So pretty good to see that the Megapack factory is coming along well, ramping up production, can potentially be a large revenue source for Tesla, and is growing even faster than the automotive side of the business. So definitely going to be interesting to keep an eye on what's happening there. They're also building a factory in China. It's going to be this same size, or at least the same output as what they want for the Lathrop factory, 40 gigawatt hours per year. So another 10,000 Megapacks per year, potentially from the China factory. And I'm sure in the future there'll be more Megapack factories announced, because there doesn't seem to be a shortage of demand for these Megapacks. So that's it for this one. My name's Evan Bertrand. This is the Evergreen channel. Give the video a like if you liked it. Subscribe by clicking on the wheel in the bottom right. And thanks for watching.